Hi, I'm Tinesh. I'm coming from Klang Lama. So today I'm going to do the Brazilian Keratin treatment. We will see how the result later.
No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Hi. Okay. Once this one I already done my treatment, Brazilian treatment. So before that my hair was very, very not well, and now I feel like very smooth and nice. So I recommend you guys please come to shop lah, Danny Sellers. It's very good. Okay, I would like to give 5 star, more than that. Okay, and then thank you so much. I really feel happy.
Into